Arduino based automatic school bell system using DS3232 RTC with 8 time school bells. So here we are using block diagram, power supply, alarm 1 and alarm 2, bell, Arduino Uno R3, DS3231 I2C based IC, SCL SDA, 16 cross 2 LC display, RS enabled D4, D5, D6, D7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and set timer, second pin, third pin, increment, fourth pin, decrement. School bell is the fifth pin. So let us come in the hardware, power supply board, Arduino Uno R3 board, 16 cross 2 LC display, alarm 1 and alarm 2, DS3231 RTC module, and here is the set clock time and increment button, decrement button, time set. Then we can go for the set timetable of the bell timetable.